Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to find the longest palindromic substring in a string. Okay, so let's start. So here we have an example AABBA. So we need to find the longest palindromic substring out of this string. So our output will be AABB, and ABBA is also a valid output for this string. First we will see what will be our logic to get this output. So this is our input. We will traverse the string and consider each index as the middle point of the palindromic string, and we will expand left and right in both the directions to check if characters are same in both directions. So first we will add one special character between each characters of the input string to handle palindromic strings that has even length. We will start from the first character and we will create substring from its left and right position. So the first character, the substring will be this, and this is palindrome because a string with single character will always be a palindromic string. And now we will check for the second character, and its substring is also palindromic string. Now we will check for third, and it is not palindromic string. So using this logic, we will check all the characters of our string and we will store palindromic string in a variable. And if we get new palindromic string, then we will check its length. If new palindromic substring length is greater than older, then we will replace the variable value with new substring. So our output will be this AABB. So now let's see how we can write its program. Okay, so I'll create one generic method here, public static void get palindromic substring, and we'll tag an input variable. So as per our logic, we need to add a special character between each of the characters. So I'll start a loop for that, and till the length of input. And I'll create one more string variable here to store new string with special character. Initial value will be blank, and we'll set string str value in the loop. So str equal to str plus if I greater than 0, in that case we need to add hash here as special character, and after that I greater than 0 and question mark, and then our inputs character of I position. Okay, so now we'll start a new loop here with str.length. So first loop will be iterating our each characters of the str string, and we'll start one more loop here that will be j, and its length will be str.length minus I, and it will start from 1. So what it means, what it will do, like suppose we our input is AABBA. So when we iterate, means when we iterate our first loop, and I will be 0 and j will be 1, in that case this condition will be for its value. So what it means, like at for first character we can get 4 characters in right side and 4 characters in left side. So suppose in second position When we check for a second A, in that case I will be 1, j will be 1, and in this condition will be 3, means j less than 3. So what it means, like when we check for A, then we can get maximum 3 characters in right and maximum 3 in left. Okay, then after this, in this loop I will create 2 more variables here, left index, and left index will be I minus j, and right index will be I plus j. Okay, so I'll check if left index is greater than -1 and our characters are matching or not in left and right position. So str left, str right position. So if it matching, means we got our palindromic string. So we will store this in a temp variable. So I'll create one temp variable here, temp initial value will be blank. So we will set temp variable in this condition. So what will be the value? Value will be our left character plus temp value plus right index, means right character. And after this loop, we need to check it with a global variable that we need to create. So string output equal to blank. So here we will check if output length is less than temp length, then we will replace output with temp. So this is how our output will be coming. And one more thing, if this condition is not matching, then we don't need to iterate remaining of the items. So we can break this loop here, and we can write our output in console.writeLine input 0 output 1 input output. For output, we can replace our special character with blank again. Yeah, this should work. Let's check. So we'll call this method with same example AA BBA, and let's see what happens. Yeah, got it. We get our output as expected, ABBA. Okay, let's check one more example. What we can see, we can add one AA again here and one A here. Let's see what happens for that. Okay, yeah, this is also a correct answer. Okay guys, so this is how we can solve it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe the channel to watch similar kind of videos.